We have a game show and it happens every day of the week, and we have our own TV channel here in the hospital where we broadcast into patient rooms. And so through our game show, patients and families are able to play a fun game, interact with other patients in the hospital without leaving the comfort of their room. And when they get 3 points, then their name goes on the winner's wheel and they get a chance to win a prize. The Child Life team exists just to help work to make the hospital feel as normal as possible for children and their families. We know that being in the hospital can be scary and overwhelming, so we try to make the environment more child-friendly. So our office really is the main hub for us to be able to do what we're here to do. What's going on right now is our office is getting this major overhaul where we're taking what was somewhat organized chaos, and with the help of the Container Store and Blue Pencil, it's moving to being organized and more efficient. And so what that's going to allow our team to do is serve our patients and families even better, because the resources that we have, which a lot of it looks like fun and play and art supplies and toys, we're going to be able to know what we have and have access to that.
Can I start taking
Yeah, this job, it just feels great knowing that we are helping the people that work here at Bonheur do their job more effectively to serve these kids and these families that need all of their love and attention.
You know, one of the great things that we do as a company, as part of our culture, kind of built into our genes, is just giving back. And the ability for us to do that and partnering with Blue Pencil to give back through Bonheur, I think it's a great opportunity for not only the store, but also Bonheur and Blue Pencil, and it brings us all here together to work on this one project.